How to prevent chest acne. Description: acne could be a skin condition that happens once your hair follicles become obstructed with oil and dead skin cells. It typically causes whiteheads, blackheads or pimples, and typically seams on the face, forehead, chest, higher back and shoulders. The disease of the skin is commonest among teenagers. It affects individuals of all ages. Effective treatments: square measure obtainable, however disease of the skin will be persistent. The pimples and bumps heal slowly, and once one begins to travel away, others appear to present itself. Depending on its severity, disease of the skin will cause emotional distress and scar the skin. The sooner you begin treatment, the lower your risk of such issues. Oatmeal. We know that the important devil behind skin disease is excess oil. What higher than oatmeal to soak up oil plus cleanse pores to induce any doable dirt out of the skin? Here's however you switch breakfast into a quick and easy skin disease treatment. Step 1. Cook the oatmeal and stir in an exceeding teaspoon of honey and juice. Step 2. Apply the paste on the acne-affected chest space and leave on for half hour. Step 3. Rinse with heat water. Apple cider vinegar. So seems apple vinegar isn't simply a good dish ingredient, however conjointly will wonder for any microorganism infection on the skin. It will balance the hydrogen ion concentration level of the skin, keeping the alkali level under control, in order that it's more durable for microorganisms to penetrate. Step 1. Take a teaspoon of apple vinegar and place it on plant disease. Step 2. Rub the plant disease on the skin and leave for regarding half hour, or longer if possible. Step 3. Clean with H2O. Wear clean clothes, always calculate in a very clean brassiere and prime, and convey a contemporary towel. It's tempting to need to recycle your athletic facility garments for a second sporting, particularly if you've solely got one sensible sports brassiere and forgot to try to laundry. However, you want to resist. For the sake of your skin. Another issue that ought to assistance is golf. Stroke a towel beneath you whenever you've got to the touch icky athletic facility instrumentality or mats. Let's face it, folks are offensive, and each athletic facility has a whole United Nations agency sweats everywhere everything then walks away while not improvement it up. Mind you, I do not recognize that I trust the antibacterial spray they use to wash stuff in gyms anyway. Thus, to air the safe aspect, place a barrier between your back and what lies to a lower place. Papaya. Our favorite breakfast fruit currently doubles up as an awful chest skin condition treatment. Papaya contains enzymes that have each bactericide and antiviral properties. It unclogs the pores and exfoliates the accumulated dead skin. It additionally contains vitamins that facilitate in production of recent and healthy skin cells. Step 1. Peel and chop papaya into chunks. Step 2. Mix the chunks into a paste. Step 3. Apply the paste on the affected areas of skin condition on the chest. Step 4. Leave on for concerning half hour and launder with water. For additional advantages, you'll add honey, juice or yogurt. Oatmeal. We know that the important devil behind the skin problems is excess oil. What higher than oatmeal to soak up oil plus cleanse pores to urge any attainable dirt out of the skin? Here's however you switch breakfast into a quick and easy skin problem treatment. Step 1. Cook the oatmeal and stir during a teaspoon of honey and juice. Step 2. Apply the paste on the acne-affected chest space and leave on for half hour. Step 3. Rinse with heat water.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video about health issue. Subscribe to our channel and learn more about new things. Thanks for watching video, comments, likes, and share. Kindly subscribe channel. Thank you so much. If you have any problem related to health, then you will contact health issue page.